Hi again. There's a plant I found in Kajiado. If you are Luo, you would understand the plant called Obinju. It's called Ipomea kituyensis. It belongs in that family called, in the morning glory family. And that's why people confuse it a lot. And that family is called Convolvulaceae, something like that. And it's native to East Africa. Now, I don't make medicinal claims, but I have gone around enough to hear the uses for this particular plant from herbalists, traditional healers, communities, and even my friends that use this plant. And when I look at the traditional uses of Obinju, Ipomea kituyensis, something interesting happens. This is my opinion, okay? Because I've listened to all the opinions about how they use, and I decided to categorize them in 3 categories. The first category is infection-related uses, things like wounds, skin ulcers, boils, urethral discharge, syphilis, gonorrhea, and other infection-related complaints. The second category that I've listened is on pain or like inflammation-related uses, so things like arthritis, rheumatism, swelling, stings, painful inflammatory conditions. And I've also listened to my third category that I love to call digestive or gastrointestinal complaints. So like things like they use the plant for stomach aches, colics, and digestive disorders. If different communities independently use a plant for infections, inflammation, and digestive complaints, that makes me ask one question. Could this plant contain antimicrobial compounds? Could it contain anti-inflammatory compounds, or even both? And interestingly, there's these researchers in Ethiopia. They later tested Obinju in the lab, and they found antimicrobial activity. Are you surprised? No, you shouldn't. Because science only catches up to traditional knowledge. Now, does that prove every traditional use? No. Does that mean you should self-medicate with it? No. But does it mean that the lab findings and traditional observations are not very far apart? Absolutely. And this is where I always ask the question, before scientists tested a plant in a lab, how did communities like Maasai, Luo, Kamba, and other African communities already know that it had value? What names did they give it? What preparation methods did they use? And whose knowledge was used to guide that research?